Hello, once again, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of watching, I recommend that you like the video, you share, and you subscribe as well for more videos like this. Now, let's try and analyze this drawing as we start with AutoCAD, the basic 2D drawing. Now, as I've always been saying, when a drawing is given to you, you need to make sure you understand the work and you are try to analyze it for easy understanding before you start. Okay, so let's start analyzing the work. Now, from the top here, I can see a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle with four sides all filleted. So all the four sides filleted, and we have this inner slot. Okay, with radius of 5, and the end dimension of this rectangle is 50 mm, and the diameter, the distance from the inner slot is 30. All right, and the height or the width of this rectangle is 20. Now from there you come down, you can see an arc. This arc is having a radius of 110 mm, the same thing here. And now you can see the distance of this line from here to here is 12, and the down here is 30. And there is also an arc, inner arc here, which is radius 110. The same applies over here. Now when you come down, the height of this is 25 mm, the same here. And then we have a half circle, a semicircle here with a diameter of 50 mm. Now this length or the dimension for this side is 10, the same as here. So we will start by drawing the top face, this side. Alright, so let's open our AutoCAD and start with the rectangle of 50/20. Okay, so this is the interface of my AutoCAD. Now I'll select, you go to your rectangle, and then I'll click anywhere, and when I click anywhere, I'll select dimension. Okay, from your command line, click dimension. Now when you click on dimension, it will ask for specify length for rectangle. So the length, and our length is 50, so you enter 50, and then it will ask for the width, and our width is 20. You press enter, so you see that the rectangle will be drawn, but it doesn't know where to be. So you have to, the location, you have to click. If you want it up here, you click. If you want it down, you bring your mouse, you click. So I want it up here, so I'll just click. All right, now let's try and draw this inner slot with dimension of 30. Now to make this work easier for me, I'll just draw a line. Okay, I'll just draw a line anywhere with a length of 30. So I'll just enter my 30, have my line, and I'll copy this line, or I'll move it. Let me move it, M for move. I'll select the center point and then put it at the center of this rectangle, so that it will be just in the center. Now I'll draw my two circles with radius of 5, this and this. So we go to circle, we click here, radius of 5, enter. You press enter to repeat the same command again, radius of 5. Okay, so having done that, I'll just draw a line tangent to this circle. So I'll go for line, and then I'll click here, and then the same thing. If you like, you can just use the quadrant for the quadrant symbol. So you click and you have it. Now you can mirror this line. Just select it and go to mirror. Then you select your plane for mirror. Okay, so let's trim the unwanted. Oh, sorry, I didn't. Let's select the line and mirror again. Mirror. Okay, now after we have, it says erase all subject, just say no. Okay, let me activate my dine mode so that I'll be getting the command on screen. So one. Okay, so let's trim the unwanted parts. Trim. Let's trim. We don't need this one. So okay, Now you can delete this line if you want. Now let's try and put the fillet. Okay, apply the fillet of 5. So radius of fillet, it is 5. Enter. Now you select multiple so that it will avoid being selecting the lines on and on. So just click multiple and then just select the lines. Okay, all the 4 corners. Okay, now we are done with the top view, this side of it. Okay, so now the distance from this center to this, we have 65 plus 25. So when we add, we are getting 90. Okay, we are getting 90. So I'll just draw a straight line. Let's be sure so that you understand. I'm adding the 65 plus this 25. So 65 plus 25. Our answer is 90. Okay, so I'll just draw a straight line to guide us. So let's draw the line. I'll select the center point from this side, then I'll enter 90. Okay, so now the total height is achieved. All right, now from here we can the distance from this side to this side is 50. Okay, so half of this will be 25. We want to draw this line, so let's take select line and draw this one. Okay, to do that, yes, you can type L for line and then you put your mouse here, don't click, you track to this side. Okay, and then you enter 25 and then you press enter. Now it will start from here, then you give a distance of 10. Okay, then you go up 25. Okay, so that you get your, I'm trying to draw this part. Now remember the total diameter of this is 50, so half of it will be 25. So the 25 that we typed was the distance from this side to this, so that you can draw this line. Okay, all right, so now that we have this, we can actually mirror this one. Let's mirror. No. Okay, so let's draw this circle, semicircle here. So to draw that, just go to circle and go to 2-point circle. Now you select this end and you select this end, and then you trim the unwanted. You don't need this side, so it should go. Okay, now you can see there's a circle here. The diameter of the two circles is 10. So just select your circle, the center radius circle, and put your mouse here. Just track it, don't click. You track, you see the green line, then you track from this side also where they will meet, and then you click. Okay, and the diameter. So now you want diameter, so you select, either you select here diameter or you type in the diameter is 10. So 10. Okay, we have that. So you can mirror this circle as well. Mirror. No. Okay, so now we have this circles as well. Now let's try and deal with this arc. Okay, now let's see the measurement from this side to this side where they are meeting. It's actually 30. All right, so to make my work simple, and also yes, to make my work very simple, I'll just draw a line. So I'll type line with a length of 30 mm. Okay, so 30. All right, so I'll move the line. I'll move it to the center point of this so that I can easily get it. It's there, but you cannot see because of the first one, but you know it's there. So now let's go to arc and let's select send start end radius, because we are given the radius. We know our start, we know our end. So start end radius, and we start from here, we end on the end of the line, and then we enter our radius of 110. So now it's formed. Okay, let's mirror it. Mirror, select the mid. No, good. So now we have both. Now let's try and focus on the inner side. Now with the inner side, we have a line of 12. The length of this line 12, and it's from this side coming down 15. So to make your work easier, you can draw a line here. Just draw a line, give it a length of 12 mm. Okay, and then you can move it to the center of this side, and now you move it down with a distance of 15. So type in and move, click anywhere, drag it down, make sure it's vertical. Okay, the green line is there, then enter 15 so that you get your, this is the measurement, 15. Okay, and also there's another line with a length of 30 from this top here to this here, this down here. So I can also draw another line length of 30, make sure it's horizontal, 30. Okay, press escape to come out. I'll move it to this place. All right, then I'll select it and then move it downwards. I want to select only it, then move it downwards of let's see the length, 35. So move it downwards 35, press enter. Now you can see it's there. Now there's an arc, also radius 110. So let's go for an arc. Select the end here. So we've already selected the start end radius. So start here, end here, and the radius of. Now notice, if you start the arc from the top, you have to check the direction. Okay, because if you take it from this side, the end to the top here, it should be going inside. You have to check your direction. Okay, so the radius is 110. Okay, so we can also mirror this one as well. Mirror. No. Okay, now what is left? Let's delete this line, we don't need it. Okay, so let's trim. There's no line here. Okay, so basically this is all what we are supposed to do. Okay, basically this is what we are supposed to do to achieve the drawing that was given to us. So now let's try and dimension the whole work. As so to dimension, you go to your dimension. Now we start with a linear dimension. So let's click here and here, you see 50. Now if you want to repeat the same one, you can press enter. Select here and here, the end here is 20. Now let's try and linear the center of this to this side is 30. Okay, and then have linear again for this side, also 12. Now let's do that of the radius. So for radius, you have to select radius. So you click on this arrow and you select radius. Okay, for this one, radius is 5. Let me try and position it well. Okay, 5. Radius again for this side is also 5. Then let's also use radius for this arc, 110. Then press enter again, radius 110. Okay, Now let's dimension this line linear. This here to here is 30. Let me bring it down. Okay, okay, it's 30. All right, and let's try dimension these circles. So you select diameter, select circle 10. Okay, let's try and dimension the down part, also linear. Distance from here to here 50. Press enter again to repeat. Here to here is 10. Repeat. Here to here is 10. Okay, so let's come to the height. From this place to this side is 15. So we take linear from the center of this side to this place 15. Then from the center to this center of this circle, so center to center 65. All right, and then I think the last part is this one. So let's dimension that one as well. Here to here 25. All right, so this is what we are supposed to do, and I think we've achieved what we were supposed to do. Now if you have any question or if you don't understand anything, just leave your answer or leave your question in the comments below. I'll attend to it and then I answer your question. And please try to subscribe to channel for my channel for more videos like this, and also more exercise files so that you can practice every day. Thank you for watching.